In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cash on delivery in WooCommerce. If you want to give your customers the option to pay when their order arrives, WooCommerce makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on, and where to adjust the basic options so everything is set up correctly. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area of your website where you manage your store settings, products, and payment methods. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to make the change directly inside WooCommerce. Next, from the left-hand menu, go to WooCommerce and then click Settings. This section contains all of your store's core configuration options, including shipping, accounts, taxes, and of course, payments. If you're new to WooCommerce, this is a good area to become familiar with because many important store controls are located here. After that, click on the Payments tab. This is where WooCommerce displays all available payment methods for your store. You may already see options like credit card gateways, bank transfer, or other offline payment methods listed here. What matters for this tutorial is finding the cash on delivery option. Once you're on the payments page, click Take Offline Payments. This area includes payment methods that don't require an online transaction at checkout. It's useful for stores that want to accept payment later, in person, or when the order is delivered. Now, look through the list of available offline payment methods and find cash on delivery. When you see it, toggle the switch to enable it. Turning this on allows customers to choose cash on delivery during checkout as long as the method is available for their order setup. After enabling it, click the Manage or Setup button next to Cash on Delivery. This takes you into the settings page where you can customize how the payment method appears and behaves. For example, you may be able to adjust the title or description shown to customers. It's a good idea to review these details so the checkout experience is clear and professional. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This is an important last step because your updates won't be applied until they're saved. And that's it. Cash on delivery is now enabled in WooCommerce. After saving, it's always a smart idea to test your checkout page to confirm the payment option appears the way you expect. That way, you can be confident your customers will have a smooth and accurate checkout experience.